It's very strange. I do question why I've been homeless now for the fourth time in my life. And it got me thinking about the word hardship. I believe we soul search because of hardships we experience in our lives. I think there's a hardship scale because what I hear in my workshop, not everyone's hardships are the same. Plus, no two people experience the hardship exactly the same way. What might feel like a mild hardship to someone may feel very different hardship to others and vice versa. All hardships are real and valid, and all of them can leave us with a toxic and challenging emotions and soul wounds that need healing. I believe there are many ways to heal profoundly, especially with the combination of the mind, heart, spirit and soul. I find nature absorbs all my challenging emotions and soul wounds. I love connecting with the water and watching it oscillate and just seeing how it is free flow. I feel part of my nervous system wants to sync up with that. That's why I enjoy fresh waterfalls over anything else. The Wim Hof method for me has really consciously changed my patterns. It started off with awareness. When you go into the breathing, you can go so deep that you think beyond your conditioning. But it's not only that, I actually feel it in my body. And connecting with nature and the cold really wakes up all my cells. So when I reflect back on hardships, yes, we all have them. And we all have our different way of coping with them. As I ground in Mother Nature, I kind of wonder if you've not experienced the Wim Hof method, or at least the philosophy of what the Wim Hof method can give you. I kind of invite you to inquire and have a look into it, because it's a little bit more than breathing in ice water. And how wonderful is that?